Alright, welcome to my planning table. I want to make a crocheted wrap skirt. This is my drawing of how I want the shape to be. It's basically going to be a half circle. So I'm going to start crocheting here in the center, and then I'm just going to work my way out until I feel like it's a good length, like at the longest point. And it'll overlap a little bit like this. And these are my notes. I think I'm going to crochet the skirt first, and then maybe afterward I'll like weave in a more sturdy tie to hold it up, because I'm not sure if I should just leave it as the yarn as the waistband to hold it up. So I think I'll use something sturdier for the tie and have it run through the top length of the skirt. So, notes. Crochet as a half circle, but I'm going to add more regular increases so it has more of a flare. So it's going to be like a circle, but hopefully a little bit more flare than just like a straight half circle would be. On every row, I want to change colors so that there'll be a lot of color, and then I also want to use different stitches for the different rows to add more texture. And then I am undecided on if I'll add fringe at the bottom, but that might be fun. I'll leave that as a decision for after this is crocheted. Anyways, that is my plan. The yarn that I'm going to use is this silky soft rayon from Bamboo. I think this is a fairly new yarn from Loops and Threads. I haven't seen it before until like the last time I went to Michael's. So I did get this from Michael's, and it feels really nice and kind of cool to the touch, so I think it's going to be a great summer yarn. And I feel like it's going to have a nice drape to it. So I got, where are the color names? I found it. Okay, so this color is Mineral Blue. And then I got Sea Glass. And then we have, oh, where's it? Oh, there it is. Then we have Boysenberry. And then this color is Deep Lake. Now I might try to go to Michael's again this weekend to pick up a couple more colors just to make sure I don't run out. But this color, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And this yarn has such a nice kind of glisten to it. It's very silky. It feels really nice to touch. This feels really nice. So this is the game plan. All right, I'm thinking if I get more of a certain color that I've already gotten, just to kind of do more often, it might be these darker colors, because I love how deep and rich the colors of these two are. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry if there's a loud background noise, but I have oxygen going for some kittens. I'm a medical foster for a cat rescue, and there's some kittens that need a little help breathing. But I wanted to show you real quick. It's really pretty, but it is kind of splitty. I don't know if you can see this, but the yarn is pretty splitty, so I kind of wanted to share that in case you are inspired to use this yarn. But it does feel really nice, so I think the end product will be good. But working with it, it might be a little challenging because of how splitty it is. Alright. So I also want to add that I'm going to weave in my ends as I go, because I don't want 1,000 strings to be hanging down as I work on this. So I wove in that one and that was in the middle. I actually need to do that for this one too, because it's still connected to the yarn here. So I'm probably going to snip this and weave this end in as well. Alright, so updates. I've decided that I'm going to be doing half double crochets for this foreseeable future. And then I think I'll do more lacy crochet stitches at the bottom, because then the top of the skirt will be more opaque, less see-through, which is what I would want in a skirt. I also decided to make it to where I do 2 rows of each color instead of 1 row of each color, because that's going to make a lot less ends to weave in, and I am weaving as I go, and this is what it looks like. I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, 7 half double crochet rows on this project, and it's still teeny tiny. This skirt's going to take a long time to make. I'm going to do a little check-in. So it is still Friday, June 28th or 9th. I don't know. This is what I have so far. Oh my gosh, it's windy. Anyways, I kind of wanted to demonstrate how I'm making this skirt. So like, this is basically a side bit. My goodness, it's windy. And I'm just going to continue increasing around until it goes around my waist, and I'm happy with the length of the wrap skirt. But this kind of gives you a little idea of what I'm doing. Also, when my husband gets off of work, I told him if it's not too out of the way, if he could go by Michael's and maybe pick up a light pink of this yarn. Maybe a light purple, because I think I'd like to add a couple more colors. But this is my progress so far. And we're going to a barbecue tomorrow, so I'll probably get quite a bit done while I'm there. I'll probably just sit and crochet while we hang out with friends. So I think I can get a good bit of progress done tomorrow. Good morning. It is Monday, July 1st now, and I'm going to show you the progress that I made on this skirt. I still have a purple yarn attached to it, so I'm just going to hold that. My husband picked up 4 more colors for me on Friday after he got off of work. Oh, it's looking so cute. Oh my gosh. So my husband got me 2 different purples. One was darker, one was lighter. I think this is the darker of the purples. And then he got me a cobalt blue and then a pink. The pink that's right there. So this is what it looks like so far. It's still got a ways to go. But yeah, this is what my skirt looks like. It'll be a wrap skirt that ties around, and I want it to overlap a little bit, but it's looking really cute. I like the colors. It is Monday. No, it's Wednesday, July 3rd. And I'm gonna show you the progress that I've made on this skirt. If you hear noises, my turkeys are coming over to me, so, oh my gosh, my turkeys are so cute. And they're so sweet. Anyways, here's my skirt. I did tons. Really? What is it, turkeys? You wanna see? Do you wanna see turkeys? They're like right here. Hi, babies. Wanna come here? Oh my goodness. Okay. I did so many increases on this one round, so it looks like really ruffly. Oh my gosh. These turkeys are being ridiculous. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna do next, but I think I still want it to be longer, so I'm gonna still work on this. The one annoying thing about this project is every row is so much longer than the last because I keep adding increases to make it kind of a little ruffly. My turkey's right here. I should show you them. Oh my gosh. I love my turkeys. What is it, turkey? What is it? What is it, my turkeys? Really? You guys are very distracting. My sweet little turkeys. There's my pretty white turkey. My pretty girls. You just checking everything out? Such pretty girls. Alright. I figured it'd be slightly less noisy coming inside, but I'm gonna give you a close-up of the stitches. I've just been kind of doing a mesh lately. I've done some shell stitches. I kind of have been alternating between like half double crochet rows, double crochet rows, like a meshy stitch, shells. And yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Good morning. It is Tuesday, June 9th, and I finished my skirt yesterday, and I think it turned out really cute. It didn't turn out exactly how I was thinking originally, but I do really like it. The only frustrating thing about this project is when I did a ton of increases to make that swooshy ruffle, it took me forever to finish crocheting a row. So that's why this project took so long. But I don't regret it now that it's done, just because it is really cute. The swishiness is fun. It just, those rows with all of those stitches on it, it was just dragging out, but it turned out really cute. And I would want to make another skirt, different, but kind of similar, in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you like this video and subscribe because it helps in the algorithm. And thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.